Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Here is a pretty neat pattern generator type deal that anybody in Corel can do. I just playing with this right now. I just got, this is a font from WW Fonts, and you could get almost any snowflake type deal you'd ever want by typing out and going to WW. I think I got it at DA Fonts. But what we're going to do, we're going to take this and I'm going to make a duplicate of it, put it over here, and then I'm going to put this in the center of the page, and then I'm going to build a rectangle a little bit bigger than it and hit P. Now I'm actually going to take away the outline, but if you look, the outline of the box is still basically there. So if you will select both those items, go up to bitmap and convert it to a bitmap. You can just leave your colors the same, leave everything as default, say okay. And then this is what's cool. Go to effects and distort and offset. I've got mine set on 50/50, which I think is default. Take this one now and put P. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Just a little bit. Holding down the shift key and hit P. Now, group this together, Control G. And we're going to make it something easy. So let's make it 4 inches by 4 inches. Change your nudge factor. And I'm just learning on this deal tonight. And I'll probably make a couple of videos on it. Control D to duplicate it. And look at this. It's building the other snowflakes across. You're always going to have some on the edge. And then I'm just hitting the plus key and then the Control D key. And you're making a pattern, which you could do manually, but there's still, I mean, this isn't the sharpest font. Maybe you want to sharpen that up before you do it. But, I mean, look at this. You could just keep going. Whoop, and make it as big as you want and have a humongous pattern. And, I was first thinking, well, is there a white background behind it? No, it's a solid, no background. And what's, really cool about it, making a border, and it's got the other side of the icicle, snowflake, I guess they are, on that. So play around with that. That's pretty cool. And I'm looking forward to playing with it myself and discovering some other things we can do with it. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.